Good afternoon. I just want to update you on pro se litigant subject matter here because it's active, it's ongoing, and I'll just put these videos up for people that desperate for that kind of help, because I do have experience. And yes, I'm not an attorney, but I dealt with many, and like I said, I won numerous cases actually because of my persistence, because of my organization, because of my dedication, diligence. And this is the qualities of a person that you need if you want to pursue patience as well. For now, I already recorded that video with some basics, and it's gonna come out around like maybe in 2 hours when I get my child to Busch Gardens, because now I can. And there's quite another reason that I don't want to say that yet until 2 hours later. But when you do legal paperwork and such, as a pro se litigant with circuit courts, you don't hardly ever have access to electronic systems. So that's why it's always required 3 copies, 3 paper hard copies, one for you to keep, one for the court, one for the attorney, right? And while I'm waiting for that post office to open up in a few seconds here, this is what you need, right? And why? Because you want to keep a track of the mail, because they can come at you and say, we never got it. Yes, you want to have priority, pay a little extra, it's going to pay off. You're going to keep that tracking number to make sure it's going to get to where it needs to go. And again, I'm already in the middle of litigation. I'm not at the beginning, but I can go back as far as the beginning as well, right? Because my case already started, and I already got the first response from the opposite counsel here. So, but when you file responses and whatnot, this is something you do want to see. This is my motions in my enclosed letter to the clerk. And look what I'm getting here. I'm getting actual stamp from the clerk, because, you know, what they have doesn't mean I have, right? That's why you want to make sure that you have that document stapled, stamped, whatever, for your own records, because you're gonna keep going back to these documents here. And the next video is on the way in about a couple of hours here for a certain reason that is disclosed in that other video that I will be posting soon. So watch for that as well. But again, you always need to send your mail priority, because it's trackable, right? It's gonna have a date on it, and then you have stamp from the clerk like this on your own copy. Talk to you soon.